All right, let's dive right in, folks. I titled this episode, Stop Waiting and Start Living. You know, it's funny, most people live in these routines, right? They wake up, shuffle to work, scroll through their phones, watch some TV, and then do it all over again the very next day. It's almost like we're on autopilot. I mean, where's the excitement? Where are the dreams? It's like we're just kind of existing, but not really living. You feel me?
Yeah. It's wild when you really think about it. I mean, have you ever had one of those weeks where you just kind of go through the motions? I live for the weekends, but when Monday rolls back around, it's like a hamster wheel. So how do we actually break out of that cycle?
Exactly. You hit the nail on the head. It's so easy to fall into what I call the comfort trap. We convince ourselves, oh, I'll just wait for the right moment. But the truth is, we're not really waiting, we're just wasting time. You know that meme of the cat looking at a clock? That's us, just sitting there, waiting for life to happen.
Haha, oh my God. Yes, that cat is living my life right now. But, are there, specific things we can do? I mean, small changes, or whatever?
Absolutely. Let's talk about protecting your energy. This is crucial, folks. Try tracking just 1 hour of your day. You'd be shocked at how those little leaks, like mindless scrolling or even procrastination, they really do add up. It's like realizing your phone battery drains faster when all those apps run in the background.
Oh, wow. So, if I track my time and see where I'm wasting it, do you, think that would help me focus better too?
Yes! It's like this concept of fear versus productivity. Often, we find ourselves present, but in reality, we're putting things off. Imagine standing at the edge of a pool, terrified to jump in. But once you do, it's invigorating. Just like learning a new language, let's say. What if you took a simple phrase and just squeezed it into your conversation today?
Oh, I see what you're saying. So, take the plunge. But, what if I mess it up? That kind of stresses me out.
I get that. But think of it this way, those awkward moments, they're the seeds of growth, right? Look, dreams don't stick around forever, and if you keep putting them off, they just quietly fade away like a balloon deflating. Today, I challenge your listeners, write down a dream in English and take one tiny step toward it.
Wow, that's kind of empowering. So, journaling could spark that? Do you think it, makes a difference in how we go about our days?
Definitely. Writing in English or any form of self-expression is a clear way to break free from those mundane chains. It's about steering your own ship. And trust me, no one's coming to save you. You're the captain here.
Whoa, Captain, my captain, I love that. So what you're saying is, I have to take charge, right? But how do I keep that momentum going?
Great question. Movement is the antidote to regret. Even small actions, like using new words in conversation, lead to progress. Think of every word as a step forward. So, embrace that momentum.
All right, so what I'm hearing is, it's all about those small steps. Every little thing counts. I definitely want to start doing that. So simple, yet so powerful.
Exactly. And that's the takeaway for today, folks. No more waiting. Let's move forward, keep talking, and, most importantly, let's start living right now.
Yes, let's do it. Can't wait for the next episode to dig in more.
Perfect. Well, we appreciate everyone tuning in today. Keep pushing ahead, keep speaking, and remember, don't wait live.
See ya next time.
Let's dive into the fascinating world of beauty and fashion. These two industries are continuously evolving and really influence culture and personal expression. It's crazy, right? Think about it. Beauty trends often reflect societal changes from how we do skincare to the techniques we use in makeup. It's like a mirror of what's happening in society.
Wow. So are you saying that the trends in beauty can actually, tell us about societal changes? Wow, that's mind-blowing. I mean, do you have an example?
Absolutely. For instance, you know how natural beauty has really gained traction recently? Right? People are opting for minimal makeup, focusing instead on developing solid skincare regimens. It's like they're saying, I want to showcase my individuality, instead of hiding behind layers of foundation. I mean, think back to the early 2000s with the heavy makeup trends. It was all about glam.
That's really interesting. But what do you think caused that shift? I mean, did social media play a role or something?
Oh, definitely. Social media is like a double-edged sword. It can be an amazing platform for self-expression, but also puts pressure on beauty standards. Influencers are showcasing makeup-free, selfies, promoting real skin, and the idea that you're beautiful just the way you are. It's empowering.
Yeah, totally. It's like this whole movement on authenticity. Speaking of which, how does that tie into fashion? Do people express their identities through the clothes they wear as much?
Yes, fashion is a powerful medium for self-expression. Each season brings fresh styles, colors, and silhouettes. It's like a playground for exploration. Take the rise of vintage clothing, for instance. People are embracing their unique styles instead of just following the mainstream. It's a way to redefine their identities, much like how a painter chooses their colors to express their emotions.
Wow, that's such a colorful metaphor, haha. So you mean to say, every outfit is kind of like a brushstroke on the canvas of one's identity?
Exactly. And speaking of expression, fast fashion has raised a lot of concerns about sustainability. It's not just about wearing the latest trends anymore, it's about being conscious of our choices. You know, many are now seeking out ethical brands or even exploring thrift stores for unique finds. It's like a modern-day treasure hunt.
Right. So you're saying that while fashion is evolving, it's also like a reaction to climate and environmental issues too? That's wild.
Yes, it's a blend of personal style and environmental responsibility. It's fascinating how both beauty and fashion can empower individuals, making them feel confident in their skin and choices. From runway shows to social media influencers, the conversation around these industries remains vibrant and dynamic.
That's super fascinating. I guess beauty and fashion are really intertwined with, cultural narratives. Okay, so tell me more about how this affects personal confidence and empowerment.